Welcome everyone. You may have forgotten the password on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip device. Let's regain access. So the first step is you're going to connect your Z Flip to either a computer, Windows or Mac, another Android device, or an iPhone or iPad. Connecting the Z Flip to the charger alone will not work. Then we're going to press and hold the power and volume down key for 10 seconds. We're then going to release power and volume down, and we're going to hold down power and volume up key until we are brought into recovery mode. So let's do this together. One finger on power key, one finger on volume down key. Add a lot of pressure. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Press and hold. Power and volume down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release power and volume down. Now press and hold, power and volume up, keep these two held down, power and volume up, press them down, keep them held down, do not release, keep these two held down, keep them held down. You're going to see the Samsung logo, just keep them two held down, any moment now. There we go. So now we can release and we're brought to the Android recovery. So here's what's up. If you tried that and it didn't work, if you accidentally release either of the keys, then you have to repeat the full process again, okay? On top of that, make sure the device is actually connected, not to the charger, otherwise the recovery mode won't show up. So we use the volume keys to navigate and the power button to select. So what we're going to do is we're going to click volume down until we see wipe data / factory reset, then click on the power button, click volume down, then click on factory data reset. So you will lose all of your data, okay? So make sure you do try your passcode, otherwise you will lose the data when you factory reset. But what you do after the factory reset is it will allow you to set your own passcode, as the old one will be erased. If you change your mind, just click on cancel by clicking on volume up, click on cancel, then click on reboot system now. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.